you know what? It's a clutch. Oh, I have to. It's good. It's easy to handle. I thought it's gonna be too difficult, but it's not that difficult. Can I go on the highway? After this ride, I find this is very, very nicely built and put together. You know what I mean? Nicely put together is this is not too big, not too small. And what I really like most about this when I was driving is the head-up display. That head-up display is just marvelous. Well, most important is you must drive it and experience. And